Everyone says AI is going to take your job, but if you see how careers have actually shifted, you will know that isn't new. Java replaced COBOL and Python replaced Java. And now AI is shaping data science, data analytics, and marketing, and even coding. But here is the truth. It's not about replacement, it's about who adapts and who doesn't. So let me explain why this field is so overwhelmed and every influencer and everyone is talking about, and what should you be doing instead of being worried about. So let's have a rewind on the things. So when I was doing my MBA in business intelligence, we were talking about tools like SAS, traditional SQL, warehouses, reporting dashboard. Then came Python. It was faster, open source, flexible, and a legacy of BI folk didn't adapt. They just didn't. They thought the tools will still be there, and suddenly job roles actually started shifting. So now AI tools are doing something similar, like replacing how we do analysis, not why we do it. Like the reason why we do it is not being replaced, just the tools and the way we do it is being replaced. So now the tools are faster and the interface is smarter and it gives us more flexibility. So who is actually at risk? Let's talk about it. So let's be completely honest. If your only skill is writing select all from tables, then yes, AI will make it easier or even automate it. But if you know how to frame business problem, like defining the right KPIs, key performance indicators, and communicate insights to the people, the business head, the stakeholders, AI becomes a powerful threat. You know, it's not becoming a threat as of now, but it will become later if you don't adapt. So AI is becoming a superpower to you, not a threat. But even MBA roles like strategy, finance, operations are being inherited by AI. Not erased, they are inherited. What I mean by it, you don't need to become an AI researcher, but you can't afford to be the person who says this is not for me, because it already is. Like if you are going to get replaced if you don't use AI, don't become faster, because they think if someone can do it in 30 minutes, why will I waste one day on you? It's as simple as that. So let me tell you what you should be doing instead. So what you should focus on, here's what I recommend. Specifically, if you're not from a technical background, learn coding tools such as Excel, SQL, dashboard, and are still relevant. You need to know it and understand the shift, like what Gen AI is doing, what it's good at and what it's bad at, and build real world projects. So outcome first, not tech first or tool first. Everyone focus on this tool I used on, but what was the outcome that you got, that you need to focus on and frame it right. So what I mean is your resume should tell stories, not just a list of software. Okay, I have 10,000 skills with me, no one cares. So here's the roadmap that I teach, because that actually gets callbacks. So it's all in description, you can check it out. Let's talk about some help. So if you're feeling stuck, everyone is, I've built everything I wish I had when I was transitioning in this role. So a free 7 days starter kit is there to give you first tools plus projects, and then there is data plus AI resource pack with more than 2000 curated tools, cheat sheets, real world projects, and then a one-on-one mentorship program where I personally help you one-on-one with roadmaps, resume interviews, mock interviews, and job preparation, and where you can get interviews from, where you can get resume build, and how you can get experience from, which places you can get. And you don't need to become an AI engineer or any engineer overnight. You just need to help yourself in a structured way and the confidence to actually apply it, not just talk about. So all the links are in description and pinned comments, you can just check it out. And the starter kit, it actually comes when you enroll in my newsletter. So the link will be there, you enroll in it, you will immediately got it in your email. And then if you want to buy the resource pack, that is in description. And then on one-on-one mentorship program, that is again in description. So let me be very clear, the world is changing, yes, but change doesn't mean you're behind, because all the time change has been happening. Everyone thinks that it will take everything, but doesn't. It just evolves the things. So you don't need to fear AI, you just need to work with it. Start small, but start today. And say no, AI won't replace your job. Don't think like that. But someone using it just might, or actually has. So become proficient, become the one who takes the steps, not just say, okay, it's all right, no one will replace my job, because you already are not getting jobs. So think about it. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye bye.